So it's been a little bit of time, but we finally have some updates for the house. You might see all this stuff behind me. This is all my septic system. They just arrived yesterday, dropped it off. We got 2 tanks. We got the whole system stacked here for the leach field, plus pipes, all that stuff. But we're not looking until the beginning of December before that can actually get installed. But it is here, it is ready. Now for some updates for some stuff that has been finished. You can see here that we do have our brick or our block skirting. It is all completed. They finished that last night, and it took them a few days to get the whole thing done. I'll show you the front side too, because it is a little bit different. We also have gutters. So I'll give you a little bit of the front view and the side view. So we got the block skirting all done. I definitely think it made the house look a lot better. It's also going to make it insulated and stuff a lot better as well. Up here we got the vents and everything. They got to reroute, I know, the pipe for the sewer. They got to bring that out and put it on the other side. We also got the gutters in. Someone showed up the other day, put those in pretty quick. And we have that all the way around the home now, so it's awesome. And then over here is where they put the access to be able to get up underneath, to be able to climb in. So I will have full access to get under there, get work done and stuff if it ever needs to be done. But I would say that this brick wall or block wall definitely made this look a lot better. Once we have a porch and all that stuff done, that's going to look better too. So I'm definitely excited that things are finally getting done. But it's definitely taken a long freaking time. We're already in the middle of November now, or getting pretty close to December now. Now this mud is definitely getting worse and worse though. It's getting harder and harder to get up the driveway. But over here we have our electric trench. They're going to be out here in a couple days to do that. This right here is one of the biggest updates. We finally have water on the property. So that was done yesterday. They dug out the trench. Now it's not hooked up to the house, because in order to hook it up to the house, we have to do a trench across, and they want to make sure that I can still get in and out before they do all that. So now my contractor, he called me this morning while I was at Costco, because I had to go get supplies. But he said that he didn't do the water all the way to the house because the trench would be even bigger than the other one, which was collapsing, and I wouldn't be able to get in and out. So they're going to do that when they're ready to drop rock as well. And the electric is going to be out Friday. So the day after tomorrow is supposed to be when they start doing the electric. So finally something is happening there. They've been in talks with the power company and everything, getting that all situated. So we should have water and power hooked up here pretty soon. And then they can bring in the finishers to start working on the inside of the home. And then he said that he'll be out here the first week of December to do the septic system. So that's when that's going to be open. But he had a delivery slot open and stuff, so he got all the stuff here. That way it's already here and out of the way. But I am excited that we actually have water. And I already went up to the other road and turned it on. Whoa, we got so much pressure. It's awesome. He was telling me that my meter is rated for like 75 PSI or something like that, and the hose and everything is rated for like a maximum of 80. So I'm going to have almost the maximum pressure possible. Plus, it's going all the way downhill, which is also going to help the flow too. Now, I do need to go check on the connection. He wanted me to check on one part of it and make sure everything is still nice and tight and secure. But yeah, so we'll do that here real quick. And this trench goes all the way up to the top of my property. And then here's where we tie in to the other water line, and then up to where that came out. There's definitely a lot of trench to get filled back in as well, so they'll have to get out and finish that too. But water's hooked up, so we're getting somewhere. I'm happy with this. Now I don't have to travel to bring in water. I can just take a bladder down to the end, fill it up, and take it back up. Now, one of the biggest challenges I've been dealing with that I've mentioned in previous videos is all the mud, which has only gotten worse with all the rain. We get a lot of rain. I did not anticipate just how much rain we actually do get. It's insane. But anyway, the other day we had so much rain, I actually had little waterfalls coming down the top of my hill, and there was a river flowing all the way down, and it was going all the way to the home and everything. So I had to dig some ditches over here to divert it. But after I did some stuff with the tractor yesterday, moving equipment and attachments and just getting things out of the way, I pretty much buried those. So I got to dig some new ones here before the next rain comes in a couple of days. That way I don't have another river flowing. So I just did a divert and had it go into the trees pretty much. But other than that, that's pretty much all that's been really going on, besides doing little bits I can here and there. I can't really drive the tractor anywhere else on the property right now because the mud is so slick. I couldn't even get up the little incline when I was trying to haul wood over to get into my little tunnel. And so I just kind of been working up here, cutting down a few trees, trying to get more of this area cleared, especially while they were busy down there. Eventually, like I mentioned before, I want to cut all of this down. It's going to take a while. I mean, it took me an entire day just to get a few trees here out of the way, and I still got to get in and get all the brush and stuff. Another thing I've been slowly working on is I built this grow tunnel because it was offered to me from Beaver, so I decided to build it, and I'm using it to house a lot of the wood so it can dry and stay dry for the season. So I've been doing a lot of splitting and getting that stacked. I got another stack over here. Also, I do have something pretty cool I'm going to be working on. This is a wood greenhouse that was offered to me. I think it's either a 6x8 or an 8x10. I think it's 6x8. But we got a third box over here. I don't know how long. This is probably going to take me an entire day. They said 2 to 3 people takes 3 hours. So by myself, it's probably going to take me like 5 or 6. But anybody that's interested, we're going to do a wood greenhouse here pretty soon. That's going to be my first actual greenhouse, so I'm excited. The contractor also told me today that he'll get some gravel, hopefully delivered Friday. And I'm going to use a little bit of that gravel to do a base. I just got to figure out where I'm going to put this, because I got to get this put together probably here in this next week. Hopefully the weather will hold out for that. I was trying to grade and I was trying to clear some of this area out, but the mud was so slick I couldn't even get up this little bit of incline because I would just roll and slide back and the wheels would just spin. So I tried to haul a load of logs up here and I couldn't, so I just dropped them here and then I carried them up, but it was so slick I was sliding around and I gave up on some of them. I really wanted to get a lot of this done, but at this point it's so slick, so muddy, a lot of this stuff's going to have to wait till spring, which is definitely a bummer. I wanted to get some chains for the tractor, but they're like $500-600 for a cheaper pair, so I'm trying to figure that out as well. If I can get some chains, then I can actually do some stuff still. But anyway, that's pretty much what's going on. I wanted to give a quick update for those that are wondering what's happening, because it has been more than a couple of weeks actually. Everything's been delayed and delayed again and delayed again because of the weather. It's been so stormy, so rainy, and a lot of our rains we were getting over an inch per day. So you can imagine day after day of that kind of rain. It's pretty hard to work in and get things done. They tried to do the electric trench, or they did do it, but then a storm rolled in while they were working on it. It was lightning and stuff, so they had to get out of here because that's not very safe. And yeah, we're still waiting on that, but day after tomorrow that should be done, I hope. Now hopefully I'll have another update here in a couple of days once they do some of that. But for now, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.